Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be using apple, primarily apple. I've already cut up some of my apple right here. And apple can have vitamin A, vitamin C, and calcium and iron, and also it has fiber that will help remove unnecessary remedies from your inside. However, it can also be used as a toner for your skin. It will provide cleansing for your skin, and it's very powerful. It has antioxidants, powerful antioxidants in it. So we're going to be using apple today, and this is why apple vinegar is highly recommended for skin toner. So I'm going to be using raw apple. I already cut up this apple, but I'm going to be cutting up a little bit more. And also we have the antioxidants for lemon here. Also I'm going to be using lemon. We all know that lemon is full of antioxidants, and it will help clarify your skin. It will help brighten your skin. It will help making your skin glowing. And this apple also will protect your skin from every damages that you have received from UV, sunburn and all those type of things. So this is very good, and I'm going to blend it. And I'm also going to be using some white, egg white. Egg white will do the protection, will protect your skin as well, and will make your skin radiant, will tighten your pores. So these are three powerful ingredients that I'm going to be using together today. Okay, so I'm going to take this away. You actually need to cut this apple into pieces so that it will be easy to actually blend. So I'm cutting it into pieces right now. I need a little bit more from here. That's the apple. And in my family we only eat certain type of apple. So if you buy another type other than this one, nobody will eat it. You'll be the only one eating it in my family. Anyway, so I'm going to take this apple away and blend it. So after blending the apple, I have the applesauce right here that I'm going to be mixing with the rest of this ingredient. So I only need like a tablespoon of that applesauce. So let me take another one of my bowls. So you know what, I'm not going to use the egg. I'll just leave the egg out today. So I'm just going to use the applesauce. That's enough right there. I think I'll put a little bit more, and then I'll put a little bit more. I've already taken a shower, so I'll take a teaspoon of my lemon juice. My lemon has, okay, great. So we have the lemon juice right here. So I mix everything together, and this is all I need to spread on my skin. Here we are. This is my apple, my natural apple. Okay, mixed with the lemon. And you can also eat this. Not only can you spread it on your skin, you can also eat it, and it will perform miracle on your skin. So this is what you do. You spread it on your skin. I'm going to just use my hand, my finger to put it all over my skin. Leave it on for like maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Let it dry. Once it dries, just rinse it up with lukewarm water, and make sure that you put on a moisturizer immediately after rinsing it off. Okay, so this will perform magic. This will make your skin glowing, will brighten up your skin, will give you make your skin looking like a youth skin. Okay, so do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Scroll down, don't just watch this video. Scroll down, make sure you share this video with everybody. Scroll down, subscribe, click the button. What are you waiting for? Just go ahead, click the button, and also share it with everyone. Share with everyone. Make sure that you also click on the notification bell so that every subsequent videos will be delivered to your box immediately it is released. Thank you. I appreciate you all. Thank you. Bye bye.